The 88th U.S. Amateur Public Links Championship is being held at Laurel Hill Golf Club. This is a USGA national championship, and is a championship designed for players who don't have membership or privileges at private facilities. So it's the public golfers around the course, around the country rather, who have handicap indexes of 3.4 or better. We actually had over 70 qualifying sites around the country and 4,000 entries.
We have nothing without the volunteers. It was a huge effort. The community, the Fairfax County and Northern Virginia community were big. They responded to the call. It took us almost 400 volunteers working a whole host of different activities to make this happen. It was not a small feat. Recruiting was coordinated with the United States Golf Association, and through Fairfax County, all the different volunteer opportunities, we were able to bring in over 400 volunteers to help. It's very important for the Fairfax County community to be selected as a host site. You have to have a special golf course. You have to have a special design. You have to have something that challenges some of the finest golfers in the country. And we feel that with this golf course at Laurel Hill, we've got a design and a course constructed that will be challenging to all the players that come to Fairfax and to come to Laurel Hill, so that we have a true champion that's played on a wonderful golf course.
When we first laid the golf course out, we had it done a certain way, and we felt it was a little too restrictive for public play, so we asked for additional ground, and they gave it to us, and we were able to create a golf course that has a lot of room and it's what we call a big kind of brawny golf course that, while it's still fun to play, when you put it at the back and you pin it the right way, it can provide a really good championship test of golf. And we thought right from the start when we designed this that the ultimate tournament for this golf course to host would be the Amateur Public Links, because of its attachment to public play and the fact that it is connected to municipalities and public venues all across the country. So we're very, very pleased that the Park Authority was willing to host it and that the USGA was willing to accept their invitation. And so here we are today.